just going through and installing the new mounting kit on the Triton. We've already got the one side set up, so we're just going to go ahead and finish up the process. Relatively easy, just 3 screws, 2 in the front, the ones that hold on this tray shavings, shavings tray I should say, and this other one that actually holds the bottom frame to the top frame. That screw gets replaced with a slightly longer screw. We'll make the comparison, but let's go ahead. So here you can see the difference between the screws. The old one, the one that comes in the machine, and the new one, mostly trying to make up the depth that is lost between the bottom of this mounting hole and where it would sit otherwise, and also it just kind of threads into the machine a little bit more. Okay. So that way you're not just threading into the bottom of this where you have really shallow threads. You're actually getting a lot more into the frame of the machine itself.
Nice.
So go ahead and place it on like so. So you get these 2 screws lined up, you get this screw back here lined up. This one actually isn't used. Go ahead and get the long one kind of started. Get one of the short ones started. And get the last one started. So you don't have to hulk out and crank down on these super crazy or anything like that, but yeah, just a little tight.
Just make sure it's nice and tight. Snug.
Yeah, I should say. Flip it right back up, and you got 4
Nice. So we got
mounting holes.
Mounting holes, 2 of the plates on both sides.
And yeah, that's
very simple and easy.
and strong.
And strong. Nice.
So.
Sweet.